What if I told you that some of YouTube's biggest stars are totally anonymous? You've never seen their faces or heard their names, yet some are pulling in over $50,000 a month. Their secret? A niche that YouTube's algorithm loves: psychology. You don't need a camera or a studio. An AI can write the script, another AI can narrate it, and you can use free AI-generated visuals. This is the exact formula creators are using to build automated, faceless channels that can earn $8,000 a month in profit. This guide will show you how, why psychology, and why right now. The demand for this content is huge. In the last year alone, YouTube searches for phrases like "why do I feel" have shot up by over 120%. People are looking for answers about themselves, and faceless psychology channels are giving them what they want. The revenue is also great. The RPM, that's the amount you earn per 1,000 views, is between $8 and $12. That's much higher than what you'd see on most gaming or entertainment channels. And since the videos cost almost nothing to create, nearly all of that revenue is pure profit. It's a popular topic with massive demand and strong ad rates. Going faceless has some serious perks. You get to avoid the public pressure and drama that can come with being a well-known personality. You also get rid of high startup costs. Your only real tool is a laptop. The focus shifts from you to your content. This means a well-written script becomes the most important part of your success. This approach turns your channel from a personal brand into a valuable media asset. It can be automated, outsourced, or even sold later on, all while your video library keeps generating passive income. The production process is incredibly efficient. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open a tool like ChatGPT. Instead of a simple request, give it a detailed prompt, like "act as a psychologist," and generate 10 viral video titles about human attachment styles. Then you just choose the best one. Step 2. Use a follow-up prompt. Write a 900-word script for the title I chose. Use simple, relatable language and examples. The AI will generate the entire script for you. Step 3. Copy that script into an AI voice generator. Modern AI voices sound incredibly realistic. Step 4. Put the audio into a video editor and add free stock footage that matches the theme, like nature scenes or people thinking. Finally, upload it to YouTube. The total time to create a single video can be less than 1 hour. So, ad revenue is just the first step. The most significant income comes from sponsors. Because the audience is interested in self-improvement, brands will pay for sponsorships, often $300 to $500 for a simple 60-second mention. Next up is affiliate marketing. You can link to related products like journals, apps, or online courses in your description, which can add another 10 to 30% to your income. Finally, you can repurpose your existing work. For example, you can bundle your best scripts and sell them as a low-cost ebook. By combining ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales, earning $8,000 a month becomes a very realistic goal, even before you hit 100,000 subscribers. It's a system, not a lottery. Risk and responsibility. However, this system comes with real responsibility. You can't just let an AI generate false or harmful information. The most successful creators are the ones who build trust with their audience. They do this by citing real psychological studies and research in their videos. They also include disclaimers to make it clear that the content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Some top channels even pay psychologists to review their scripts for accuracy. This isn't just about ethics, it's a good business strategy. It protects your channel and builds the credibility you need to keep your audience. If you want more guides on building profitable, anonymous channels, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. This $8,000 a month model is a massive opportunity in digital media. AI tools do most of the work. You can stay completely anonymous. And the topic of human psychology is always relevant, meaning your videos can keep generating views for years to come. The opportunity is here and available now for anyone who is ready to start. And remember, channels that begin today will have a permanent advantage over those who join later. Every script you post becomes a digital asset that keeps working for you, even when you're offline. While most people are still waiting for the perfect moment to start, the creators who take action now are quietly building channels that will dominate this niche in the coming months. So don't just consume this information, apply it. Your first video doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to exist. Once you publish that first piece, you're no longer just a viewer. You've officially entered the creator side of the platform. That single decision is what separates the people who watch success happen from the ones who build it. You can keep scrolling or start stacking your own digital assets today.